Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. This is the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 37. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 9, 1 here, 6 here. So that means this is our 9, 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help, so 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 6. This column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help, so 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help, so 5, 9, 5, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. No help here, 1, 5, 8. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 1, 2. That 8 makes this our 5. Now we can get rid of this 5. That 1 makes this our 8. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. And I don't see any help, so 5, 9, 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing, actually, this 8 makes this our 1, 8. So now we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. And that 5 makes this our 2, 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so that makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 9, 3. And for this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 9 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.